Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you're feeling good. Guys, today I'm talking about smooth low potion coin. Oh my god. You know what guys, I have good news for you and I have also a bad news for you. The good news is that from yesterday, smooth low potion, I mean SLP coin start jumps. The bad news is that in the last 60 minutes again the price dumps. Oh my god. Anyways guys, let's discuss more about SLP coin, but please before starting this video click the subscribe button below and also press the bell icon for a new videos notification. The right now price of smooth low potion SLP coin is about 0.088022 USD dollar. That is the right now price of smooth low potion. Furthermore guys, if we talk about the price changes, so now the last 1 hour changes is about negative 1.18%, the last 1 day changes is about positive 10.05%, the last 1 week changes is about negative 10.95%. Only guys yesterday changes is positive. An absolutely very huge pump occurs in a smooth low potion because 10% change is positive. 10% is very high amount guys, but the last 60 minute changes is again going negative, so that's mean that things are getting wrong. So guys, just tell me in the comment box, what's your plan? I think that not, it's a patience time. Don't decide to sell, it's a patience time. So what do you think? Is it a good time to buy, sell or hold? Tell me in the comment box. Hope you like this video. Click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos.